If you are making consistent losses while trading in 1 minute time frame in Quotex, it might be time to make a simple adjustment, switch to 2 minute time frame. Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain you how 2 minute time frame can help reduce market noise and provide clearer confirmations, making your trade entries more reliable. As you can see, I have switched to 2 minute time frame and my trade duration is also set to 2 minute default timing. I'm taking a direct put entry here. Just look at the chart. It appears much cleaner with significantly less noise and the candles are smoother. Now let me walk you through the logic behind this put entry and all the valid confirmations supporting this trade. I'm going to mark my levels like so, and I'm going to explain you with all the logic I have seen in this chart. All right, traders, so this horizontal line is the next target of the market, and I am going biased with sellers because the major trend of the market is downtrend. That is, market major trend is downtrend. Sellers are active. Here, there is a recent break of structure, that is, market is giving me trend continuation. And if you zoom out this chart, here is a clear trend going on. I will show you with a trend line. Market is making lower lows with multiple touches. So I am taking the recent touch supporting with the previous multiple touches, and look at that, market is moving in lower lows, making this a valid put entry confirmation. I want you to pay close attention to how this current candle is reacting because its behavior will help me to decide my next put entry. As you can see, there is no clear immediate support and resistance whatsoever, but in binary trading, support and resistance doesn't always work. What really matters is how the candles are behaving in real time. This trade is going in my favor, but for my next put entry, I need this candle to close below the previous red candle's wick. A proper close below that wick is important for me for my confirmation to take another put entry. Even though this trade is winning and it's going in my favor, look at this. There is a very strong reaction coming from the downside. That means buyers are entering and there hasn't been a candle closing below that previous wick. That tells me that the market has still potential to push up and form a green candle before moving downside. Look at this level. I wanted my current candle to close below the wick of the previous red candle for my continuation trade to the downside, but it didn't do so, and this red candle closed inside the wick of the previous candle. So this is signaling me that market can print one more green candle. The candle closing should have been something like this, but it didn't. So I will stop taking any further put entries from here until and unless the highs of the previous red candle is swept away. I have made a separate video regarding my sweep entries as well. So guys, I highly recommending switching to 2 minute time frame for a clearer market structure and better understanding. Make sure to test it on your demo account first. There is no shortcuts in trading, but once you master this approach, it definitely worth the patience. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the description box below. I'll be back with another video soon. Until then, keep learning and happy trading.